EigenLayer will be the biggest airdrop in 2024.
Namely, talking about EigenLayer, all things risk-taken.
I keep hearing people talk about EigenLayer this and EigenLayer that. Is it as popular as they say? Also, what's going on with Cosmos? Has it become the ecosystem of airdrops? Did you get your alt layer? Let's find out. Welcome to Cryptos Chain, I'm your host Claudio. First up, another parachain auction has concluded and Euroweb has emerged victorious, securing the lease for 22 months. Interestingly, Euroweb is the rebranded version of the well-known Origin Trail parachain, a change brought about through community governance back in December 2023. Nearly 250,000 DOT were locked up in support, with contributors expected to receive at least 64 euro for each DOT they locked up. The auction hit its cap of 250,000 DOT as the minimum contribution per wallet was set as 5 DOT. Contributors can expect to receive their DOT back on the 13th of February 2026, following Neuro's upgrade to a parachain and the official lease commencement. Now let's shift our focus to the latest developments in the Polkadot ecosystem. Every month, Gavin Wood and the Fellowship gather to discuss the latest developments and future plans. In the most recent meeting, it was revealed that bulk core time will be launched on Kusama in March, signaling a shift away from the current parachain auction model to a marketplace-based approach using NFTs for lease acquisition. Additionally, there were also updates on Snowbridge, a bridge connecting Ethereum and Kusama, Polkadot's Canary network. These are also shared along with the upcoming release of Bridge Hub, facilitating communication between Polkadot and Kusama. Notably, Polkadot OpenGov's treasury referendums will now reward in native USDT, providing stability amidst market volatility. Beyond Polkadot, let's explore some highlights from the Cosmos ecosystem. The Inter-Blockchain Communication Protocol, known as IBC, has enabled seamless communication between over 100 blockchains, fostering interoperability and collaboration. Furthermore, Altair announced an airdrop for TS stakers, rewarding those who registered their airdrop address and also those who had been staking before the 17th of January. EigenLayer restakers also qualified. Oh, and one other thing, Gavin Wood invested in AltLayer.
There should only ever be one blockchain.
Near Protocol introduced a multi-chain wallet for storing cryptocurrencies, simplifying key management across various blockchains. Meanwhile, Sui has gained traction, boosting $500 million in total value locked, signaling significant growth and adoption. And finally, let's talk about EigenLayer, the new player in town, offering a platform for launching POS networks at lightning-fast speeds with promises of enhanced user experience and improved distribution. EigenLayer aims to revolutionize the landscape of blockchain infrastructure. EigenLayer also provides AVS developers with an operator set to bootstrap their networks, incorporating ETH staking for added security and stability. With anticipation building, we eagerly await news of a potential EigenLayer token announcement later this year, following their successful fundraising efforts. That was all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Until next time.